everything. Stop up to 29 feet shorter than a leading competitor with the Michelin tire. Michelin, a better way forward.
John Hancock, the future is yours. Visit findtheanswers.com.
When you buy that Hoover Part 2 on Blu-ray and DVD, now you also get a bonus ultraviolet digital copy that lets you build your own movie collection in the cloud safely and securely, so you can download and instantly stream to most smartphones, computers, and tablets. Look for details on the Blu-ray insert. Go to ultraviolet.flixster.com and start enjoying your ultraviolet digital copy wherever you go.
That is a great idea.
Buy the Blu-ray and DVD December 6th.
I'm trying to run it.
ESPN's College Football Primetime is presented by Russell Athletic. Reminding you that together we are. And in part by the 2012 Ford F-150 with available EcoBoost.
I said to make it go straight, you gotta do both of them at the same time.
Your chance to win big.
They've been brawling for many years, back when it used to cost.
You gotta hit them both together.
$1 to buy a program. I was looking for Dan Marino and
Both
Mark.
of them.
You're going
Up,
So we welcome you back
up or
inside
down.
here.
Oh.
The